Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay May 18, 2023, Thursday. At mabuhay po kayo. Welcome po sa The Stock Market today. Tayo po ay nasa isang remote location at sana po ay tahimik ang lahat. Ang ating balita ay tungkol po sa SECB, special report po ito, at AGI. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, inimbitahan ko po kayong mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Get well soon to my cousin Mari. We're praying for your recovery. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, Thursday, May 18, 2023, dito lamang sa The Stock Market today. Alright, ang ating news or headlines ay galing po ng The Daily Digest ng BDO Securities, SMPH to open Bataan Mall. Yan, first po ito, no? And how many malls na kaya ito? Marami na ito. 83rd mall in the Philippines. Yun po ang news. GMSI's 150 stores in China. FGen sets $1.1 billion capex for 2023 at FMAP, ito yung Fund Managers Association of the Philippines, wants higher tender offer price for MPI shares. So tingnan na natin ito muna. FMAP wants a higher offer of the proposed 49 billion privatization of MPI. FMAP members include state pension funds, SSS and GSIS, which have a combined 5.5% stake in Metro Pacific. FMAP and Shareholders Association of Philippines said, "We stress that we are not against listed companies and majority shareholders of such companies from conducting tender offers and the listing from the PSE. However, we believe that the tender offer price of $463 per share does not reflect the fair value of the shares of the company." Okay, so let's take a look at this special report here on Security Bank. Lending slowed but seen to pick up in the next quarters. The first quarter income missed expectations. Corporate demand softened, retail growth accelerates. Key takeaways from the first quarter 23. Corporate loans dropped 5% in the first quarter as the bank shed some short-term working capital loans because of intense competition and irrational pricing. Net interest margins or NIMs improved 14 basis points quarter-on-quarter to 4.06% in the first quarter due to higher loan yields, while cost of funding rose at a slower pace. Provisioning or credit cost will hover at 60 basis points this year as the bank continues to expand its loan book. So that's Security Bank. The target price remains at 118 or an implied upside of 29.4%. There is a keep buy rating. Next, we have Alliance Global, which has a maintain buy following solid first quarter performance. The first quarter earnings up 20%, tracking expectations. AGI reported attributable profits of 4.7 billion, up 12% quarter-on-quarter and 20% year-on-year. Property and spirits business remain core earning drivers, but gaming and fast food units also show promising results. There is a keep buy rating and the target price remains at 1860 with an implied upside of 34.8%. Now let's go to your comments before we check the index. Good day po. Sabi po ni Maria Susan 9623. Do you cut loss po if your stock is bleeding much? Maraming salamat po. Okay, ganito po yon, Maria Susan, no? It depends on what your purpose is in buying the stock. Is it for trading or is it for investment? So, if it is for trading, then you have to have a cut loss price, and usually that cut loss price is slightly lower than the support level. Okay? Meron kang target price, meron kang cut loss price, at meron kang kung kailan ka magbabay, yung buying price mo. Diba? Meron kang trading plan eh. So if your trading plan succeeds, you sell at the target price. Diba? Usually yan, mga mas mataas kaysa dun sa binili mo. Pero, if your trading plan is, akala mo aakyat yung stock mo, pero bumaba, mag-cut loss ka. Ganun lang po yun. If you trade with a plan. Okay? Kailangan may plano ka, hindi basta-basta bibili ka, pagkatapos, ay, bahala na po si Batman dyan. Hindi po ganun. So, kailangan meron kang target price at meron kang plan B, cut loss price. Yung cut loss price, doon ka magka-cut. Hindi yung kung kailan 50% loss ka na, doon ka lang ma-realize mo, ay nako, talo na ako. Hindi po ganun. Kailangan merong specific price ka magka-cut. Okay? Ngayon, kung investment ka, kasi long term ka, kung for investment yan, then your view is long term, and therefore, bumaba man yung market, umakyat man yung stock mo, bumaba yung stock mo, you'll not cut loss. Kasi ang view mo is long term eh. Diba? Especially if you buy blue chip stocks, pang long term po yan. Okay po? Sana po nasagutan ko po ang inyong tanong. Sabi ni WinBar966, salamat po Sir Bench sa review. Pa-review po ng GMSI. Or if fair or undervalue po siya, current price, more power to you, your channel. God bless. GMSI. Okay, gawin po natin yan. But I don't think there is a study for GSMI, no? Wala siya dito eh. Wala nga. GSMI, Niebra San Miguel, that is consumer eh. Oh, wala siya dito. Century, DSL, Emperador, wala siya. So, I don't have the fundamentals, but I can review the technicals. Okay, so, let's check the index. It's 1:16 in the afternoon, nasa 6648.97 or 13.86%, up 0.21% po siya. Ang akyat sa bahagya lang po. The most active stock is BDO, followed by SMPH, AC, Ali, and EMI. Yan po. So we'll be back later as the market closes. Don't go away. Okay, at we're back. At tignan po natin ang ating index. Ito ay, naku, almost flat. 6.47 points down, 0.10%. Ano? Nasa 6628.64. Kanina po, akala po ay aakyat. Pero just moving sideways po ang ating index. Yung market activity naman natin, teka, silipin muna natin ang most active stocks. BDO is number 1, followed by SMPH, Ali, AC, Ali, and Emperador. Pero, ang most active stock or ang market activity, 81 companies declined, 90 advanced, 61 remained unchanged. Ang all-share index natin ay 0.02 up, pero almost flat po ito. Market activity, lahat po ng ating sectoral indices ay up except for holding companies down 0.67%. Ngayon po, ang titignan po nating stocks ay una po yung GMSI, and siguro tignan po natin ang iba nating stocks dito na umakyat, no? Tignan po natin si JFC, SCC, positive muna tayo. And then, tignan po natin si BDO at SMPH. Okay, so let's start now with GMSI. GMSI. Okay, ang GSMI ay almost, well, merong green candlestick po siya ngayon at meron po siyang dividendo, no? Ang earnings po niya ay 80.91% for the first quarter and 8.81%. So relatively good, no? And the first quarter is even impressive, 80.91%. May dividendo po siya at 1.75 and 0.75, so 250 per share. So more or less special dividends po ito. Yan po. So ang GSMI ay almost flat, ano? Ang support niya, lagay natin sa EMA 100 at 135.86 or almost 136. Samantalang ang kanyang resistance nandito po sa 162. Yan. So, nagdidip po ng konti ang GSMI pero ang fundamentals po niya ay maganda. Pagkatapos po si JFC naman, si JFC ay, very good, ha? Umaakyat po si JFC. And the earnings report actually almost flat, no? 3.20% yung down, almost flat yung first quarter earnings, pero yung 2022 earnings is 33.38%. So there is a green engulfing candlestick here, and the nearest resistance ay nandito po sa area ito, nasa 243 more or less. Support ay nandito sa 226. So paakyat po yung kanyang RSI. SCC, si SCC ay nagdidip po siya pero merong recovery po today, ano? Kasi po napakalaki po ng kanyang gap down here at napakalaki po ng gap up here, pero ito yung mafe-feel, no? Kasi yung earnings report niya, I think it missed expectations, yan, no? 39.91% down first quarter, but the 2022 earnings is up 146. Now for sure ay magre-recover po ito. So nagdidip po lang siya dito. Meron po siyang oversold and the stock is poised to move up. And then let's try BDO. See BDO. Okay. So on the short term, it's just moving sideways and nag-overbought na po siya dito, pero napakaganda po ng fundamentals ng stock na ito. Overbought po siya dito pero nagdidip lang po siya, no? 136, and it went as high as the 52-week high is 145 na na-achieve niya po dito noong May 2. Yan po. So ang pinaka-support po niya, let's take EMA 50, 131.81, samantalang ang resistance nasa 140-ish, 141 to 142 ang pinaka-resistance po niya. Finally, si SMPH. Okay, SMPH ay sideways to bearish lang po dahil yung ating mga indicators ay nasa taas, lalo na po yung ating long-term indicator. Support is here at 132.80 and the resistance is here at 35 to 36 pesos. Earnings report, very good, 28.46%. 2022 is 40.31%. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-18 ng Mayo. Ito po si Benji Chidoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.